Seeing a dentist regularly is obviously an important step to your oral health maintenance. However, sometimes complications may arise, and that's where having a great specialist can be paramount. And here, with an in-depth look at the advancements in oral surgery, is Dr. Greg Hunter. He is of Nevada Oral and Facial Surgery. Great having you, my friend.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So if we look at your lower third, we say in the industry, we would say
Okay.
Gregory Hunter, oral and maxillofacial surgeon.
You got it.
What does maxillofacial mean, first of all?
First, it means all the structures involving the face, surrounding the mouth, and head and neck.
Okay, fantastic. And as a oral and maxillofacial surgeon, what exactly do you do?
So we specialize in treating the mouth and the structures that surround the mouth and the face. So for example, cleft lip and palate, fractures to the jaw, corrective jaw surgery. It's a dental specialty that requires 4 to 6 years of additional training following dental school.
And you were like, you know what, school, I got time.
That's right.
Sure.
My wife was really happy when I told her, hey, sweetie, we're going to stay in school for another 6 years. She loved that.
She's thrilled.
Yeah.
But now you get to say you're Nevada Oral and Facial Surgery. Tell us about the office.
So the practice was founded back in 1998 by Dr. Johnson and Holtzen. They really focused on becoming the premier oral and facial surgery providers in Las Vegas. I joined the practice back in 2013, and we've been going gangbusters ever since.
Absolutely.
Not because of me, but in addition to it.
It's certainly helpful to have you
You
around.
betcha.
Like for one example of something that you take care of in the office, wisdom teeth.
Sure do.
Wisdom teeth stink. I've had 3 of the 4 removed.
Uh-huh.
And they create a lot of problems if they're not addressed.
That's correct.
Tell us about wisdom teeth and why they're such a problem.
Well, you can see on the screen there that we've got 2 wisdom teeth that are pinched up underneath the teeth in front of them. They create problems with oral hygiene.
Yep.
They can cause damage to the adjacent teeth, cause localized infection, can become potentially serious infection too if it's not addressed.
Absolutely. And you have 3D CAT scan technology that you're able to kind of take a look and figure out what's going on underneath there.
Absolutely. So with a 3-dimensional CAT scan, it's similar to a CAT scan that you get in the hospital. And it allows us to look at those structures in 3 dimensions. We can localize potential problems that arise from the position of the wisdom teeth related to anatomic structures such as blood vessels and nerves.
Absolutely. You also do x-rays as well.
We do traditional x-rays as well.
Of course. The one thing I have, listen, I had dental problems as a kid growing up, and I'm not terribly scared of the dentist. That said, some people walk in, and the anxiety, the blood pressure goes through the roof.
Absolutely.
What do you do to help people that get so anxious when they walk through the doors?
So the main advantage of coming to an oral and maxillofacial surgeon is that we have the training and the skill set to sedate those patients in the office.
The anesthesiologist.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
And so when patients come in, they're anxious, they're nervous about the procedure, we can sedate them and take care of them in a manner that A, is safe, and B, is productive for them in their procedure.
And the thing is, some people get anxiety from the anesthesia sometimes. I was put under, and I remember I cracked a joke, and then I remember nothing after that.
That's
and
about
I woke
right.
up. It really is incredible technology, and it kind
It
of
is.
helps you be able to do your thing without them freaking out in the chair.
That's absolutely true. And one of the things that we're really proud of at Nevada Oral and Facial Surgery is that our office is Joint Commission accredited, which is the same agency that accredits hospitals and surgery centers. So our office is held to the same standard that you'd find at a hospital.
Fantastic. Your surgeons also have extensive experience. They're board certified as well.
That's right. All of us are board certified maxillofacial surgeons, which means in addition to the additional 4 to 6 years of training, we've also made the effort to become board certified, which is the highest standard that we can have as oral and maxillofacial surgeons.
How much time does the board certified take?
That's an additional 2 to 3 year process.
Are you 72? I mean,
I age really well.
Absolutely. Dental implants. Oh, this is something big. For a lot of people that are looking to get that great smile back, or maybe never had that great smile,
Sure.
dental implants could be a great option.
Well, dental implants replace the root portion of the tooth.
Yeah.
So what happens with that is when we, again, coming back to our 3-dimensional technology, we are able to now place those implants virtually before we even do the actual surgery on the patient.
No kidding.
Absolutely. So patients come in, all the planning takes place beforehand. We're able to determine the exact location, size, and shape of the implant we want, and then customize that for the patient so that the final tooth or teeth that go on there, those implants are able to match the patient's smile, they're able to match the patient's contour, and we are one of the only practices in the country that do that start to finish with virtual planning.
That's phenomenal. Like if you get like an interior decorator, they can kind of do a
That's
3D design of what your house will look like. Now you're able to do that with
Absolutely.
with the jaw. That's fantastic.
We show those to patients beforehand and help them through the process completely as far as working with anybody that would be involved in their care.
It's great technology. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us.
I appreciate that. Thanks so much.
All right, if you have troublesome wisdom teeth, by the way, visit Nevada Oral and Facial Surgery. They're offering a complimentary wisdom teeth evaluation throughout the summer. Take advantage of that. Call today. Nevada Oral and Facial Surgery. They're located off the 95 on Smoke Ranch Road. They also have a location in Henderson. Their website, their phone number, both right there on your screen. Nevada Oral and Facial Surgery, proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.